Have you ever gone shopping and felt nervous when you wanted to speak in English, but the words did not come out, and you thought to yourself, what if the shopkeeper does not understand me? What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? But let me tell you a secret. Shopping is not just about buying things. It is one of the best ways to practice English in real life. Because in shopping, you ask questions, you answer questions, you make requests, you show emotions, and you use real sentences that are part of daily life. And today, I will take you through a complete shopping experience in easy English sentences, so that next time when you go shopping, you will not be shy. You will be confident and fluent. When I leave home for shopping, I say, I am going to the market. I am going to buy something. I am ready to practice my English. As I walk to the shop, I look around and describe, I am walking on the road. I see many shops. I see people carrying bags. I see shopkeepers waiting for customers. When I enter the shop, I say, Good morning, how are you? And the shopkeeper smiles and says, I am fine, how can I help you? And I reply, I want to buy some items, can you please show me? When I look at the products, I use simple sentences like, I am looking at the shoes, I am checking the price, I am holding the bag in my hand. If I want to ask the price, I say, How much is this? And the shopkeeper answers, It is $10. And I reply, Okay, it is nice, but do you have something cheaper? If I like something, I say, I like this shirt, it looks good, I want to try it. If I want a different size, I say, Do you have a large size? Do you have a small size? If I want a different color, I say, Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in red? When I cannot find something, I ask politely, Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Where can I find the sugar? Where can I find the milk? And the shopkeeper says, It is on the left side, it is on the top shelf, it is near the counter. When I pick an item, I describe it in English. I am taking the milk, I am picking the bread, I am choosing the apples. If I do not understand, I say, Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak slowly? I am learning English. Most people smile and help me, and this gives me confidence. If I want to compare, I say, This one is cheaper, but that one is better quality. If I decide to buy, I say, I will take this one. I need 2 of these. I don't need that one. At the counter, I practice again. How much is the total? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with card? Do you have change? Can I get a bag? And when the shopkeeper gives me the bag, I say, Thank you very much. Have a nice day. When I leave, I remind myself, I am not just shopping. I am learning English. I am practicing English in real life. When I reach home, I tell my family, I went shopping, I bought bread, I bought milk, I bought apples, and I practiced my English. I write in my notebook, Today I asked, How much is this? Today I said, Do you have this in red? Today I learned, Can I pay with card? And I feel proud that I improved. So remember, shopping is not only about buying things, it is about learning English step by step. Every time you enter a shop, you get a chance to practice greetings, questions, answers, and daily sentences. If you are shy, start with one line like, How much is this? And slowly add more lines. If you are afraid of mistakes, remember, mistakes are your teachers. If you are afraid of people, remember, people are usually kind. Your English will not improve by only reading books. Your English will improve when you use it in real life. And shopping is the best classroom because it is free, it is natural, and it is part of your daily life. So from tomorrow, when you go to the market, Do not just think about prices. Think about practice. Do not just think about products. Think about sentences. Do not just buy things. Buy confidence. Because shopping is not ordinary. Shopping can make your English extraordinary. So, my friend, shopping is not just about buying things. It is about learning English in real life. Every time you enter a shop, you get a chance to speak, to practice, and to improve. Remember, small sentences every day will make your English strong, and step by step, you will become confident. So next time, don't just shop for products, shop for confidence. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.